Today, Mel's making some homemade dog treats. We're gonna clean up the house a bit. VLOGmas day 17.
So right now I'm on break. I'm on lunch from work right now. So just gonna put the kids down for a nap. If you guys watched our vlog from yesterday, I mentioned that we were trying to get the kids back on a good sleeping schedule, and we tried it without a nap, and I don't know if it worked. I don't know if it helped. Casey fell asleep fairly quickly, but he typically doesn't have any trouble falling asleep. JJ is the one that has trouble falling asleep. I guess it worked a little bit because they did fall asleep when we put them to bed within like maybe 15 minutes, but JJ, like towards the end of the night, JJ was really grumpy and he was in a bad mood, and you could tell it was because he didn't take a nap. So today we're gonna try to put them down for a nap, but we're gonna try to do it earlier in the day because usually they get tired around like 2 or 3, and then that's when we let them take a nap. But we're gonna try to do it closer to like 12-1-ish, and then that way they can wake up earlier and then hopefully go to bed at an earlier time tonight. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm gonna try to do like a power hour cleaning type thing. So what I want to do is I want to get the kitchen cleaned up, just kind of tidy up the playroom a little bit because I know they're just gonna come downstairs and make another mess. But I want to clean up the kitchen for sure because I want to do some baking today, and I don't like baking when it's already messy because it's just gonna be even more messier, if you get what I mean. So I'm gonna try to do some cleaning before I start baking later on today. I'm gonna see how much I can get done within the next 45 minutes to an hour before I have to clock back in from my lunch. Alrighty, let's go. Wish me luck. So I'll show you guys how it looks like right now. So the kids just got done with lunch, had a few snacks. The disaster area. This is our like free for all. This counter, we always just like throw stuff on it. Like this is where we just leave miscellaneous things, and this is where the most mess occurs the fastest. So this is before. Hopefully we can get this mess cleaned up. So what I'm gonna try to do is take all this stuff, and then what needs to be put upstairs, I'm just gonna put it in this bin so I don't have to be walking up and down the stairs. Every time I need to put away something, I'll just try to do it in one trip. So I'm gonna just put whatever I need to put upstairs in here and then just get this area cleaned up. just finished my power hour. It was more like power 30 minutes of cleaning and got a lot done in that short amount of time. So I'm about to go back to work since I was able to clean. Got the half of the dining table cleared and wiped down. I got rid of everything off the counter, did all the dishes. Those extra dishes are just drying now. And then that's clean, it's just drying, it wouldn't fit in here. And wiped everything down. So I have a fresh kitchen to bake some dog treats for Roscoe later. I think I hear somebody home. So I'm still working and Jay and Casey went to go get some food. I think my food is here. My little food is here. Come here. Hi. Where did you go? Come here. What do you got there? Nice. Uber Eats is here.
Uber delivery.
The delivery is here. In and out. So I just got done with work, had another pretty busy day. Jay and Casey went to go get In and Out. Woo, woo. In and out. 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 And I'm gonna eat dinner. The kids are eating. Are you guys? Yeah, everyone's just eating dinner. Okay, so I'm gonna try to bake these dog treats for Roscoe. So I found it on Pinterest. I'll leave the link down below, and it's only 3 ingredients. So banana, oatmeal, and peanut butter. So I'm gonna try to make it and see how it goes. Refrigerator in there. So that's all you need. Well, according to this recipe. Bananas, oats, peanut butter. 1.5 cups uncooked oatmeal, 1 large banana, and 1/2 cup of peanut butter. So I'm open this. Press. Okay, so I made that one batch, that one recipe, and it turned out to make a bunch of little treats, but I don't know if it's because my cutter was like this small. Well, I mean, Roscoe's a small dog, so I got small cutters. I have the last batch. This is my 3rd batch in there. So this is how it turned out. They're so cute. I did little bones. They're like super, super small. I did like a dog sitting down. It was like all in a pack, like a doggy pack. I did like a fire hydrant. They're super, super small and they're super cute. So let's see if Roscoe likes them.
Let's go have one. Eat it.
You think he likes it?
Yeah. Ew. There's another one. There goes.
Okay, so we fed him one each, and he's a pretty small dog, so I think that should be good enough for today. That's how much I made, and there's still another batch baking in that little mini oven. So I made these, and then there's another batch in the oven. Made a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's probably like 50 little pieces in here. They're soft, but they're like firm. So they're not like crispy, but I think they have like a chewy kind of feel to it. Let's see if you figure out what shape they are. I did 3 shapes. What do you think that is?
Bone? Christmas tree? Dog?
It's a fire hydrant.
Fire hydrant?
The mama.
for Vlogmas 18.
18. See you tomorrow on Vlogmas 18.